Hey folks, today I want to talk a little bit about one of our most recent blog posts, which is all about competency-based training in manufacturing. For those that may not be familiar with it, is simply identifying specific leadership competencies that your leaders need to be good at in order to do their job well. And then we make sure that we measure and pay attention to the outcomes and provide further training if they're not reaching those. And if you're one of those people that thinks, blog post too long, didn't read it, well, this is a good video for you. But one really specific one might be empowering your team. Kind of sounds very vague. Is it the same as delegating? And then how do you hold them accountable? Well, when it comes to a competency-based training, the behaviors we might want to see from a leader are their ability to effectively delegate. So instead of just saying, yeah, I'll take care of it, don't worry, it's no, who's the best person to do that job? Another one is being able to apply consequences in order to hold people accountable, which then increases more empowerment. So being able to apply positive consequences when we empower someone and it goes well, but then also applying constructive consequences if something doesn't go well, but we want to be able to build them up. Another good example related to this might be just stating clear expectations. So teaching them how to state clear expectations so that when we are trying to empower people, they know exactly what's expected of them. They're more likely to be successful. So those are all examples of how we could better empower and focus on the specific competencies that we would need to do in order to empower our team. Again, lots more, but if you liked that, you can head over to our website. The link is in our bio and read the rest of the blog article.